Hey beauty, is the first day of Nailmas and I'm so excited. Hopefully I can post this video. Hope you guys are doing well. So what I'm about to do right now is that I'm going to put on my tips. But first I'm going in with my quick dry top coat because I don't want these nails to stay on for a very long time. I need to get another one because this one is getting thick. I'm going to do a nice light coat. I'm running out of it. Let me switch. Alright. Let me do another one. Nice. I'm going to wait for this to dry and then I'll apply my tips. So now I'll go in and apply my tips. So I'm going to cut them. I will go in and cut off the numbers. Shape up a little bit. So I'll be going at in the cuticle area with natural and then the glitter at the tip with some maybe some of these right here. Not quite sure which one I want, but I'll be adding some of that. So now I'm going in with this mixed glitter here. It's just so pretty. Gorgeous. Dipping my acetone, my nail liquid, and then into the glitter. So beautiful, and then onto the nail. Now I'm trying to decide whether or not if I should go with the diamonds, the butterflies, the stars, or also the stars. If you guys can see this, it's not any better. So I'm thinking that I should do these type of stars over here. We're going to do those stars. So I'm going to add it to each nail. It's crazy, you guys can't see it. You literally cannot see it. So I'll just be adding it like randomly to each of these nails, where you can actually see them. because honestly, you can barely see them, barely. All right, that's enough. So we're gonna top coat. We're going to encapsulate the nails. They're cute. So I'm going into encapsulate right now with my clear. The thing that I dislike with this glitter, like once it encapsulates, like the color goes white. The glitter goes white. I hope this is not how it looks, like when I top coat. But yeah, let's see how this goes. Actually can see the stars. Oh, those are so pretty. So these are the nails after. They're so pretty. You can see the stars in them. It's gorgeous. Let me file and then I'll be back with you. So these are the nails I like. So I'm going to top coat bling and then I'm going to show you guys the reveal. It is so pretty. So pretty. Pretty. I'll go in with the final thing and then I'll come back. I'll show you guys a review. So I go around my cuticle area. So this is the final product. I hope you guys like, because I enjoyed doing every aspect of it. If you guys like what I did for my first day of Nailmas, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment down below, and share it with a friend to come and join you watching Nailmas. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on my social media once again. That is Bare Beauty on TikTok and Instagram. So check me out. See you guys tomorrow.